Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to delete products from cart on Shein app. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to delete products from cart on Shein app. Maybe because you have accidentally added some of the products in the cart, or maybe you added the products a long time ago and now you don't need any of one of these things longer. So you want to delete it and you don't know how to do it. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Shein app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it. Also, you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Shein app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. First, you will read the title of Shein, and we will see other options like search bar and categories, and a lot of products in the middle of the screen, and there is also a bar of option at the bottom. So now, if you want to delete products from your cart, first you have to find and add products into cart, then you can delete them. So here on the home page we have a lot of product. First we will find a product and then we will add it into a cart, and then we'll see how we can delete it. So there I'm just scrolling down, and there I have just got this t-shirt that I think it should be purchased because it looks nice. Therefore I clicked on it. First I will go through some of the images, and after that I will read description, some things about this product like review and other stuff. And we have this option which is add to cart. Once I added this one, it will ask you which variation I want to add. Likewise, whichever product you choose, you have to select the variation according to your preferences, and then you just have to simply add them into cart, and they will get added into cart. Once it get added into the cart, now we will add another product into the cart, and we'll see how we could delete it if we ever accidentally or maybe by purpose add any product in the cart, and how we can delete it. So here's a shirt. I just gone through all this, and now I'm adding into a cart by just selecting the variation, and here it just got added into cart. Now we will get to the cart from the top icon, which is the icon of the cart. As you can see, it also has a number with it. This one, just simply tap onto that option, and then we will get into the cart. Once we get in the cart, there we will see all the products that we have added over the time. Now if you want to delete any one of these, first what you have to do is this: almost all the products are selected, so you have to deselect the product one by one, and once these get deselected, that means no product is selected. Now here what we have to do is that we have this option, which is the quantity of the product. If the quantity is 1 and if you reduce it, that means you are deleting that product. So you just have to simply click on minus option, then you will get this option, and you have to click on delete, and that specific product will get deleted. So that's how you have to keep deleting all the products one by one by minimizing, or you could say reducing, the quantity of that product, and each product will get deleted once you minimize the quantity to 1 to 0, and that product will be removed from cart and your cart will get empty. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can delete products from cart on Shein app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.